My name is Rose, and this is my brother. Hi, my name is Paul, and today we are going to share with you how to make a baby smile without touching it. It's best not to touch small babies because we have big germs that their bodies can't handle. So here are 5 top ways to make a baby smile. 6. No, there's 6. Number 1, make silly faces. Number 2, sing a funny song. Hey, my name is Tra-la-la! That's Captain Underpants. Nice one, Paul. Number 3, talk sweet and make a compliment. Oh, I love your chubby little tiny cheek. But I want to touch him so much, but I can't. How sweet. Number 4, smile really, 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 really big. You can do better than that. Number 5, play peekaboo. Peekaboo, peekaboo, boo. Nice job, Paul. Now let's review our top 5 ways to make a baby smile without touching in slow motion. Are you ready, Paul? Mm-hmm. Number 1, make silly faces. 2, sing a fun song. 3, talk sweet and make a compliment. Number 4, smile really big. Number 5, play peekaboo.
Okay, wait.
Thanks for watching today, and we hope that you got some good ideas on how to make a baby smile. Remember to keep an arm's distance away and be careful not to spit.